Hello friends, welcome to Exhort Solutions. Friends, in previous video we have seen some basic commands from this modified toolbar. So friends, if you have any query about that video, please comment your query in comment section so I can give you a resolution. Okay, so friends, let's get started with our next video. Welcome back friends. We are going to see in this video this trim and extend command. Okay, so friend, trim command is used to cut our object. Okay, means from where we can cut our object. Okay, and to extend we can just extend our geometries to a specific boundary. Okay, so first of all we will see this trim command, but for that we should have a specific diagram or reference diagram. Okay, so I will choose, this is my reference diagram. Okay, so friends, if we want to erase this middle section and want to convert this diagram into a C channel section, so we will see how to draw it. Okay, so friends, just you will see that I can just delete this line and make a line from here, just first point and second point, and again from here to here. So it is quite lengthy work. Okay, so we can just use this trim command and we can erase this point. Okay, so for what we have to do, we have to just select the edges, means from which edges we want to trim our diagram. Okay, just I will choose this boundary and hit up the enter key of your keyboard and just go to select this line. You will notice that we have trimmed our this line, means we have cutted these our lines. Trim or cutted is nothing but we have erased this line. Okay, likewise eraser, we draw, we erase our lines from our worksheets. Okay, so friend, likewise we can use this trim command. Also, if you want to erase this whole line from this point to this point, we can also do this. Just select this trim command, just select first point, second point, hit up the enter and just select this middle line. You will notice that our line will deleted. Okay, so friends, also I will show you, this is in more depth. Just like assume you have drawn these two lines, means this is the first line and this is the second line. Okay, so friends, now you want to erase this middle point. Okay, means this middle line. So what we can do, just select trim, just select first line, just select second edges, means we have occupied these lines. Okay, and just select enter key and select this line. Our line will be trimmed here. Okay, so friends, likewise we have seen the trim command. Trim means nothing but the cut our objects. Okay, so friends, now we will see this extend command. Extend means what this command does, it extends our specific geometry to a end. Okay, likewise I will show you this with the simple line. Just if we want to extend this line to till this line, how we can do is, we have to just select our boundary, means this is the boundary. Our line will be extended only till this line, it can't go exceed to this line. Okay, so we have selected this line, select enter. Now we have to choose lines which we want to extend. We can select this line also, just select this line, this will be extended. If we want to extend this, we can also extend this, just select this, it can also extend. If we want to extend this line, we can just select this and this also will be get extended. Okay, so friends, likewise we can use our extend command. Okay, now I will show you how this can't work. Okay, so if you say you want to extend this line to here, so for this we have to just give a boundary. Mention that friends, without a boundary or without edge we can't use this extend line. Suppose we have to extend these two lines till here, we have to just select our boundary, enter, just select this line and this line. Our line will be extended till this. Okay, so friends, likewise we can use this drawing. So friends, as we do more practice, you will get to know how we can use these commands. Okay, so friends, that's it for today.